As a coffee shop, do you know how it feels to be out of stock? It sucks. Cool, huh? When things magically happen automatically. Hi, what's up? Workplace Buddy here. Maybe you've heard of Power Automate? Power Automate makes many processes happen automatically. Coffee shops like this one always need to be fully stocked. The right coffee, sandwiches, cookies, you name it. But how can you organize everything effectively to ensure your customers are always happy? With Power Automate, you can automate business processes, send automated notifications to email, phone, Teams, and automatically link data between different business applications. Power Automate ensures that you have less to do and that fewer human errors are made.
Back once again, Workplace Buddy. Let's talk about power raps. Do you want to build something cool too? Just watch and we will empower you so that you can also say, I've got the power!
Want to see more? Check out our website.